Alright, I'm gonna really hope that this is recording. But hello one and hello all, welcome back to another one. Unfortunately, we're on the highway right now, but we're getting some good content that unfortunately I can't, bro. Oh, it is recording, let's go. Alright, let's catch up. It was that guy up there. Bro, that guy is fucking sick, man. We're gonna try to get him to go on the bikes with us up to the mountains, but he took his exit. Chill, dude. Little 1,000, you know, nothing too big. Pretty fast guy. Alright, I guess that's it then. Alright, cool. See y'all later then. So, kind of a bearer of bad news. I should have been recording, but we just got stopped by a cop, by GSP. That shit was fucking terrifying. Thankfully, he was chill about it. He got me because I took off at a light doing like, I guess I was doing 100, which I guess I didn't really think I was doing that much, but he was chill about it. I mean, I explained my reasoning and he was chill, but dude, I hate getting pulled over by GSP. Fuck, that was terrifying, bro. He was understanding, but bro, just getting pulled over by a cop in general is terrifying. I literally can't get another ticket. So then that brings the question, why do you speed and stuff like that? Because just being on a motorcycle, it's not safe to not do the speed limit. Alright, we're almost there to the mountains, but I don't know, I guess I just want to include this little clip. I don't know, kind of keeping you guys like along the journey, you know what I mean? But we're on Dahlonega Highway. Let's see. Oh, we got some good turns over here actually. We may keep this rolling actually. I was gonna clip it. Oh shoot, dude, I think we're there. We're gonna be on this road for like 7 miles. Yeah, get it. Alright, I was trying to see if the homies would want to catch up, but I guess they don't want to. So I guess we'll just do our thing. I don't know how this is gonna work. We may just have to like, I don't know, I'm not really in a talkative mood. After getting pulled over, my head is kind of all confumbled. Dude, these curves are insane. Oh my god, yes! Alright, let's slow down. Let them catch up. I don't know why they're going so slow. It's probably because it's her first time in the mountains. Eventually, like, I know she's learning, but eventually I'm gonna get aggravated and I'm just gonna end up doing me, because I need this mountain run. I didn't want to mention it, but it's been kind of rough lately. Getting out like this on the bike is gonna be good for me. I was gonna cancel, but kind of glad I changed my mind. Dude, it's like I want to end it, but these curves are so fun. There's a mountain up there. Holy shit. Alright, I don't know how close we are. We gotta be close though. Oh my god, I'm getting some good corners. That's a sick ass little cozy house. I fuck with that. Alright, lock in, bro, lock in. You can't be getting distracted by your scenery here, bro. That's for the camera, you know? Go back and then you look at that shit later. Oh, heck yeah. Now we're in some good territory. I don't even know if I'm gonna need to clip the audio out there, or the video at this point. At this point, we probably just let it run full out. Hell yeah. I don't want to go too crazy on the speed, just in case. I kind of thought being up here was a safe ground, like a sacred ground, but I guess not. Alright, where the boys at? I did kind of just gap them. Alright, we're gonna hit this roundabout, and then we're gonna be in the mountains, baby.
At the roundabout.
2 miles, turn right. Bro, where is this shit taking me? The fuck? Can't park there, sir. Oh, heck yeah. Some nice little twisties. Let's get it. Oh, moped? Okay. Hey, man, everyone's got a ride, right? Even the scooters. Am I tripping? No, that's a moped. Oh, oh, bro, lost it a little bit. I saw that. Bro, shook the front. Oh, he's shaky with it. I don't know if the camera's picking that up, but I'm seeing the small little things that he's doing. He/she. Who's that? That's a girl. Oh, wait, no, we're turning at the stop sign anyway, so it's a good thing that we're here. What are we doing? Turning right. Where is that going to put us? Alright, 1.5 miles. Dude, that glare from that window is pissing me off. Away, thank you. Just right in my eyes, bro. It's gonna be a long ass video, bro. I don't know if I'm even gonna edit most of this. It's definitely gonna be multiple parts, but this is definitely gonna be like one of those things that we did back in the day where it's like a movie. No, it's just a big old adventure. I'm gonna try to milk this into as many videos as we can. This should give me enough content for like a solid week. Actually, you know what? That's what we're gonna go ahead and do. End this video right here, and then just restart it back up. I'll catch y'all in the next one. Outskis Vitowskis. I gotta remember to do that. Excuse me, I'm filming here. I am filming here, sir. Just a quick little one? Just a quick little one? No! 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 No!